I'd rather she not swap leads. But at this point, her body is so all over the place. We got to get some frame, some body control before we can really get a lot of control over that. This is Mia. She was shipped to me from California. I've had her coming up on a month now. When she came, she was broke really good, as far as she didn't want to buck. She'd steer okay, but she didn't know a whole lot. When I put leg on her, she'd pin her ears and get mad about my leg. So we've been working a lot on that. She's steering off my legs nice. I've changed her over to this low port grazing bit. We're kind of back and forth between this and a snaffle. Probably 2 rides in this and then 1 ride in a snaffle. She's getting off of the bridle really good. Getting off my legs really good. Not really, I don't like her head there. I don't want it there. Right there, she needs to get off of my right leg and go straight. I've been riding her some one-handed, some two-handed. We'll swap back and forth. Right there, a little pointer nose, a little bit of right leg. Pointer nose, a little bit of right leg. Right leg. Right leg, there we go. A little bit soft right there. She'll figure it out. Right. Neck rein over, right leg. Neck rein leg. Neck rein leg. I want to make that neck rein better, so that's why I'm neck reining first and then following through with the leg. Kind of fell that way, so I stood her up with the left rein. Let's go through our circle and let's trot the other way a little bit. Left leg. Left leg, left leg. She got in that soft dirt. Got a little on her front end. Lost her balance. And I see how she's not wanting to steer that way. Left leg, left leg, left leg, left leg. And release, go straight. She's still, even though she's not pinning her ears and complaining about the spur, the leg, when it goes a little bit, we can start going a little faster. Really don't want to lope just yet. She's not really moving off of it either. She's still pushing into it. Push, 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 push. And release. I didn't release. I'm sure we were probably filling up the whole camera frame, but I didn't release until she got off of that leg. And this is where I'm saying some one-handed, some two-handed. Let's steer around, leg there. That was better. And you notice there, I kept her slower, and it was better. Before, she was going through that kind of deeper, stickier mud, getting on her front end a little bit. And that's when she wasn't steering. That tells me about where our one-handed steering and our leg cues are. Not bad, but we need to get better. Let's go straight down here a little bit. We're working towards ranch riding. She kind of sped up a little bit when I let her get straight. Ask her to slow down. Let's steer around and we'll go back straight. Left leg, right rein. Now let's go straight down the middle. A little bit crooked there. Kind of pushed on my left leg a little bit there. I pushed up my left leg and she went off that way. We got crooked, but she got off my leg. She knows my leg will tell her to go straight. See if we can avoid that stickier dirt. Let's slow back down. I'd like to work to lope with her a little bit in a minute. But you can probably see a little bit of a ranch riding pattern starting to develop. Let's see what we get when I ask for an extended trot. Not much extent. I started riding and she started kind of balking a little bit. Lost her head and bowed her back up then, like she wanted to complain. We got to get a little speed when I asked for speed. That's better. Now let's go to slow trot. Steer around the end. Steer around the end. Ask for another fast trot. Come on. Gave her a little bump of both spurs. The ears came back. She got a little mad, but she sped up. Got to keep doing that. Develop that fast trot. Let's go slow trot down the fence this time. Go around the end of the arena, help her with point her nose, a little bit of outside leg. Let's ask for a fast trot again. Go. Slow trot. And walk. You can see when I bump her with my spurs to try to get that fast trot, her ears are coming back. She's trying to pin her ears at me. She gets crooked because she's pushing her shoulders into my legs. That's some of that same pushing against my legs that she was doing earlier in her training. It's a lot better than it was, but it hasn't totally gone away. At a walk here, she'll let me push on her pretty good, and she's okay with it. We even starting to develop a little bit of a spin there. That was my left leg. Let's see what we get off my right leg. And back forward again. Good girl. So I'm gonna walk her around and back down the center line, and let's pick up a lope and let's see what we get. I'm expecting I'm gonna have, I'll probably have to steer two-handed, I'm sure, and I'm not sure if she's gonna want to go a little bit fast. She might want to go fast because she might get a little on her front end, a little bit unbalanced. I might have to keep pushing her into the lope. I don't know. We'll see. Huh? Is it back now? I'm going to pick up two-handed so that I can help her with steering. I'm going to ask for the lope in the corner down there. Right leg back. See, when I started with my legs, she started fussing. Let's try it again. Trying to use my right leg to steer. See how she's wanting to poke that shoulder out where our lope isn't good. Let's see if we can just lope straight down the middle. See where she goes. We're in the right lead. Let's see if we can circle right. I have not loped her a whole lot because we've had so much rain. Been wet out here a lot. That's why I said don't run into the camera. There we go. At this point, she just needs to be loped. Need to develop that lope. We're not going to go stand by Phantom. If I can keep her going. Whew, really ducked her shoulder in. I'm lifting with my right hand to lift that shoulder back up. Trying to get some straight. Now, even though this lope isn't all that good, it needs work. With working it, it's going to make that faster trot better. Drop the shoulder again, pick up my right hand, right leg, push the shoulder back out. All that is just normal stuff. Learning how to lope under saddle. I need to catch my breath. Walk a little bit, then we'll try the other lead. No, I'm good. I'm just getting out of breath to the point where I ain't gonna be able to talk. You don't realize how much work that is until you start loping one of these green horses. Still to the point where I'm doing way most of the work, unlike Hank, where I'm still moving with him, but I'm not doing 70%, 80% of the work like I am with her. Alright, I'm going to start a circle around, and somewhere over here I'll ask for the lope. Corner nose, we'll see if we get the left lead. This is one of our few days dry enough in here to ride in here, so we got to take advantage of it while we got it. That storm is going into Texas today. I think it's supposed to made landfall last night or today, I don't remember which. There we go. Hope everything's good, going okay over there. Everybody's safe. There we go. I like to go straight down the middle if she will let me. There we go. Green horse, just try to get my shoulders back extra and push with my hips extra. That way when the shoulders fall all over, or they make a step that you're not ready for, you're in a better position to ride it. Right leg, right leg, right leg, right leg, right leg. As she swap leads, I'm just going to keep on going. I'd rather she not swap leads, but at this point, her body is so all over the place. We got to get some frame, some body control before we can really get a lot of control over that. Let her walk a little bit. So we're building her towards ranch riding. You see where we're at. A lot better than when we started, but we still have a long ways to go. This is Mia. I'll put a link up here to her playlist. Until next time, thank you for watching.